On Scotch Burying Road lies a historical site not known to many. Deep within the quiet forest line is a sacred place of history. After hundreds of years of being lost, it was found and restored to its present state. The Old Scotch Graveyard is one of the earliest graveyards established in Carthage, North Carolina. It was established in 1775 by one of the earliest and wealthiest residents of North Carolina, Scottish military leader, Captain John Martin. He and his wife Marion MacLeod came to Cumberland County and lived near what is now Carthage. In 1775, the captain bought more than 100 acres of land from Thomas McClendon. He chose the highest point of land and wished to be buried there. But the captain ended up dying years later in Nova Scotia. However, his wife was buried there in the graveyard that he had purchased and laid out for himself. After her passing, the land was purchased by Peter Bethune, and it became known as the Peter Bethune Place. He eventually passed away and was buried within the same graveyard. Later on, a man named Samuel Barrack purchased the land, and it was named Old Barrack Place. In December 1974, a land deal agreement creating the Colin G. Spencer Sr. Family Trust was established. The graveyard was parceled out from the surrounding timber and farmlands. It remained under their care until 2022. The Spencer Land Trust donated the cemetery grounds and a 30-foot strip around the perimeter to the Moore County Historical Association. The Moore County Historical Association is a nonprofit organization dedicated to collecting, preserving, and sharing the rich historical legacy of the towns, cities, and surrounding area of Moore County, North Carolina. Since then, a number of restoration projects have returned the cemetery to a place of dignity and peacefulness. Volunteers such as Bill Edsel organized and advocated for better conditions of the site. Benches were added throughout the property to allow visitors to sit and meditate. Many headstones were restored or completely replaced due to damage and wear. The grounds are now under surveillance to ensure vandalism does not occur, and that any weather-incurred damages are attended to immediately. There are at least 130 known interments at the Old Scotch Graveyard. Today, the graveyard's grounds are kept in pristine condition. Volunteers from all parts of North Carolina ensure the early Scottish settlers are never forgotten.